Hey friends, if HDMI Playback device is not showing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the audio drivers. So, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs and right click on each one of these and select Update Driver. Next one, Update Driver. Next one, Update Driver. The next solution is to update the display drivers. Expand the list for display drivers. Right click on the first one, display drivers, and update drivers. Right click on the second one, update drivers. And lastly, you need to enable playback devices. So search for sound, click on sound settings, and then go to sound settings. Scroll down, select more sound settings. And if you find the HDMI port here, no, I don't have that, but if you find HDMI here, right click on it and then make sure that it is enabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.